Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Broken Twig. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, first step's getting it out of the box. Actually, they got little nice indents and very nice presentation. Anyway, enough of that. So, the whole goal of this puzzle is to take these two shapes and make a symmetrical object. So what that means is if you put a mirror in between it, it would be identical on either side, directly through the center. So with this one, what we are going to do is we are going to not immediately solve it, because apparently I am just not going to remember how to solve it. Oh boy. No, it's not like that. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So, even up these legs. And here's the solution. So if we put a mirror going through it, so let's just put a pen. It's identical on either side of the pen. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.